Because I got a better one I'm going to do. Oh, I think I'm all alone. Oh, this is a long ride. Oh, my God. I'm here all by myself. That's no fun. Huh? How do I go to a room? Hello? Nobody here with an old lady? YouTube is Mama 1. Okay. Oh, I got a room with somebody in it. Now let's see. Oh, it's that game.
I'll report you for toxicity. No, black. Green looking. I'm not black. Me. Give me it. Give him it. I'm reporting you for toxicity.
Oh, I think I'm in a very hostile room. Hey, can we do that? Hey, fellas! Calm down. Can we just give him one free pass? Give him one free pass. Don't report him yet.
Are you? Why the mom playing girls?
Because I play with my daughter and granddaughter. You ought to have your mom play with you. It's fun. It's really fun. What?
Give me it. He wants to ban me. He wants to report me.
Okay.
For no reason.
Well, if it's for the reason they said you were doing, then that's on you if you're using racist slurs. I don't know. I wasn't in here.
What? I let him borrow it, then he took it.
You let him borrow it, then he took it. Well, how about you and I go to my room?
He gave it to me, so I took it. Yeah. Hey, yo, nah. There's nothing wrong with that. He gave it to me, and I took it.
How? Well, maybe you ought to offer it back to him for a few minutes to let him practice with it. That would probably be nice.
Shut up, Mom. Shut up, Mom. He can have it. I'm not talking to Mom. I'm not a glider. Look, a glider. Not you. Okay. Look, a glider. Yo, look, a glider. Give me the glider. We all know that you're holding it. No.
Oh, snap! The mom and the grandma.
I want I'll give it back.
The mom and the grandma. Imagine that.
I promise I'll give it. This is about to die. I promise.
Well, they're flipping me off and stuff.
My Oculus is about to die.
I am in a very hostile room for a minute, but I'm going to show them how you glide, and then what I'm going to do is give it to one of them that's nice.
Don't call me dirty. Treat me like that, Pete. Don't you call me dirty.
And I know what little fella I'm going to give it to.
Sorry, little fella.
I know what fella I'm going to give it to in a minute. I thought it was funny. They call me a mean names. Whoop. All right.
You can't grab that one. You can't grab it. Dang it. I'm just gonna get with the star.
Nope. Are you the one they stole the glider from? Are you the one they stole the glider from?
Nope.
Who's the one they stole the glider from? 11, where are you?
I'll give it back. I'll give it back. I'll give it back.
Come here, sweetie. Come here. Where are you going?
Wait, he's running, y'all. Look. No. He's the one that stole the glider. Wait a second. He stole the glider back. I'm getting off. Look here, have it. I'm getting off the game. Give it away.
That's nice. Say thank you.
No.
It's okay. Now, where did my little buddy go?
Give it back. So no.
Okay. Now he did give it back. Now, okay. Come and show me how to do this, guys.
But I'm
Can we not fight? And let's do this. Come on, let's do this. Okay, come on, let's go then. Let's go. I'm recording it for my channel, so let's go. And you don't run into the tree. God, he sounds like Ghana screaming down there. Whoa, look up here. Woo! Woo! Gosh. Yes, I make videos. YouTube. If you show me your name, it'll be on the video. Rosie. PBBV. I want him in my video. That's who I'm shouting out tonight. PBBV, I think was it. Yes, that's who I'm going to shout out in my video tonight. Yeah, oh, we have played with him before. I gotta concentrate on what I'm doing here. There we go. Oh, no, not in the tree. PBBV is his name. I have played with him. Honest played with him before. Okay, when I'm